Authority Registry of Home Care Workers is only a referral service. A consumer calls us and lets us know that he or she needs to hire a home care worker. What we do is get their preferences, their needs, where they live, all of that, and then we, with our computer, match up providers who match that criteria. And we send a list of 8 providers to that consumer.
那他们所做的呢，就是说，因为他们访谈这些愿意做居家照护者的人的背景，他们都会电脑存档，所以当有人打电话进来的时候，他们的工作的范围就是说，他们介绍转介，那他们就会说，根据来申请的人，他希望说，我希望找到什么样子的人，会帮我煮什么样的菜啊，会讲什么样的语言啊，或者讲就是说。被照顾者人跟照顾者人他们的各项能够配合，那他们可以就是说提供，就是说申请者长辈或者是身心有障碍的人，就是说同时有8个人让他们去选的，所以不是只有单一选项。那但是他们所做的只是一个转介而已，那最后的决定还是申请者的人自己做决定，他们的单位是不做决定的。
The consumer is expected to call and arrange interviews with the 8 providers that we refer to them. If for whatever reason that list does not work for the consumer, they may request as many as they want. But they do need to do the work. We don't do that for them.
那到底谁是最合适的照护者？那就是说申请的人，这个长辈或者这个身心障碍的人呢，他们要自己来决定，他们自己要去 interview 去访谈这些申请的人。那如果说他们 refer 的介绍的这8个人都不符合申请人的所需，没有关系，再来他们会一直就是说介绍到。这个长辈或者是身心障碍的人需要被照顾的人，觉得说我找到我理想中能够照顾我的人，所以无所谓，你们就是一直打电话给他说，我这8个我不要，我再另外8个没有关系，你就一直打，但是最后的决定一定是申请人自己的决定，他们没有办法做决定。
Again, our program is meant to empower our consumers, to let them be in control of their life and their care, more importantly. We will do as much as we can to help, but again, it is up to the consumer to help him or herself.
所以不要忘记他们的单位，这个IHSS 他们的目标就是说，让长辈或是身心有障碍的人，他们可以待在自己的屋子里、自己的家里面，很舒适、很习惯。可是呢，最后是不是能够找到说适合照顾他的人，一定是申请的人自己要来做决定。
Are there any questions?
有没有问题？
Can you get access to the list of providers while you're waiting for your application to be approved and pay out of pocket temporarily?
So the question is, can you get access to the list of providers while you're waiting to get approved and then pay out of pocket? There are private pay registries. I don't have the numbers with me right now, but that would help. But the way, if the so hours you have, then yes, absolutely. Otherwise, I think you can get a private pay registry list.
那我们这位小姐她的问题就是说，我在等待，因为我们说了，你必须要申请，对不对？填那个表格，然后申请，然后才会知道说，有可以多少个小时1个月来照顾家里的长辈或是有身心障碍的人。那在这当中，我可不可以在等候被批准的时候，我可不可以有办法先看到说，他们会介绍哪8个人来家里应征呢？答案是不行，除非就是说你在等的时候，你先自己付费，那你可以先自己去申请， 否则的话，在这当中是没有办法把这个名单付给你，除非说你自己说好，我这被核准的期间，这1-2个礼拜或者这1-2个月，我愿意自己付钱，那他们才可以把这个名单给你。
That you can pick up. Your assets cannot exceed the resource limit of SSI on Medi-Cal. These resource limits are $2,000 for an individual and $3,000 for a couple. It has a little bit more information, so if you want to pick that up on your way out.
那我们这位小姐的问题就是说，她还是不太清楚，就是说我们刚刚有提到说你的收入是多少。那如果你要再更详细的话，他们在桌上是有提供这个flyer， 你可以去看。那最主要就是说你必须qualify SSI。那在 SSI 个人方面，就是1个月它是不超过单一个人的话是不能够超过2000块。那如果是一对夫妇的话是不可以超过综合，不可以超过3000块。
I have flyers on the table over there. Feel free to browse and take.
For this lady, she has a question. She knows someone that this consumer, he is blind, he is a senior, and then he is qualified for the IHSS for 180 hours per month. However, he got sick once and then he was hospitalized. Now he has been released and back to his own home. And the IHSS increased his service hours up to 230 hours per month. But they prefer another different provider